Waking up to sunlight through the blinds, a warm cup of coffee, moments undefined. Barefoot on the grass, feel the earth below. A gentle breeze whispers where the flowers grow. It's not the big things, no, it's the small, the quiet moments that say it all. Oh, it's the little joys that make me feel alive. The laughter, the love, the sparkle in your eyes. Dancing in the rain, under moonlit skies. Oh, it's the little joys of life. My favorite song playing on the radio, watching clouds turn pink in the evening glow. A call from a friend, a hug so tight, a shooting star that streaks through the night. It's not the big things, no, it's the small, the quiet moments that say it all.